In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Freshdesk widget. Whether you're setting up your customer support for the first time or looking to add the convenience of a Freshdesk widget to your site, this guide will walk you through every step needed to get you up and running. First things first, we'll need to log in to Freshdesk. Start by heading over to the Freshdesk website. Once there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on that, type in your email address, and proceed by clicking Continue. After you've successfully logged in, your next destination is the admin panel. You'll find the admin option in the main menu. Click on it to delve deeper into the customization and setup options Freshdesk offers. In the admin panel, you're going to look for the channels section. This is where Freshdesk allows you to manage how you interact with your customers, and it's also where you'll find the widget options. Click on channels to continue. Now, within channels, locate the widgets option. The widget function is what we're here for, as it enables your customers to interact with your support team directly through your website. Click on Widgets to see the options available for customization and creation of new widgets. Here's the fun part: creating your new widget. You'll see an option to create a new widget. This is your cue to start the creation process. Click on it and dive into setting up your widget's appearance and functionality. Upon clicking to create a new widget, you'll be presented with the setup page. Here, click on Create to officially start crafting your widget. This is where you'll define how your widget works, looks, and interacts with users on your site. Next, you'll fill in the details of your widget. This step is crucial as it involves specifying the rules, appearance, instructions, and any other details that dictate how your widget will function. Take your time here to ensure your widget operates exactly how you need it to. After filling in all the necessary information, look for the Save button. Clicking on Save ensures all your settings are stored and your widget is ready to be deployed. Don't rush through this. Make sure everything is set up correctly before you save. Finally, after saving, you'll likely want to see your handiwork. Navigate back to Widgets. Here you should see your newly created widget listed among any others you might have. This is where you can manage or further customize your widget as needed. Remember, the power of a Freshdesk widget lies in making it easy for your customers to get in touch with you directly from your website. By following the steps we've just gone through, you're well on your way to providing a smoother support experience for your customers. That wraps up our guide on setting up a Freshdesk widget. The process is straightforward, but remember, the details matter. Ensure you've customized your widget to fit the look and feel of your site, and that it functions exactly how you need it to. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.